Hi friends, I'm Likhitha H. Welcome to code2create channel. In this video, we're going to see how to create a new intent in dialogflow. Let's do it.
Guys, I'm going to Google search engine and searching dialogflow. I'm clicking on the first search result, which is dialogflow. I've signed in already. You'll have to sign in and click on the button go to console. So I'm clicking on this plus sign and creating a new agent, guys, called Likhitha. And don't forget to change its timing as 5:30 and click on create. And you have to go to the setting page again for doing a few more changes, which you have to enable the beta features and click on save again. It's saying it's still setting up and agent training started. Guys, today we are going to see how to create a new intent. Click on the intents. Intent categorizes the end user's intention for a specific conversation. I'm creating a new intent by clicking on create new intent button, and intent name will be sports. I'm clicking on save. Here training phrases means the questions asked by users frequently and the responses that should be given by us. So I'm clicking on this training phrases arrows and saying add training phrases, which is add questions. The first question in sports will be, what is your favorite sport, right? And I'm clicking on enter. So for that answer, I'm writing it as my favorite sport is badminton. And the next question will be, who is your favorite male player? Clicking on enter. And my favorite male player is Sai Praneeth. So I'm writing it as my favorite male player is Sai Praneeth. I'm clicking on enter. And the next question will be, who is your favorite female player? I'm clicking on enter. So my favorite female player is Sindhu. So I'm writing it as my favorite female player is Sindhu. And the next question will be, how many medals did she earn? I'm clicking on enter, and she earned she earned 326 medals. So I'm writing it as she earned 326 medals. That's great, right? And the question will be, at what age did he become a player? So I'm writing it as, at what age did he become a player? I'm clicking on enter. So he became a player at 36 years. So I'm writing it as he became a player at the age of 36. And next, the question will be, for how many hours do you play? I'm clicking on enter, and the answer will be, as I play for 2 hours a day, the answer will be I play for 2 hours a day. And next they'll ask, do you play indoor or outdoor? So I'm clicking on enter, and then my answer will be I play indoor. So guys, let's save it. And intent is saved. I'm clicking on OK. And agent training is completed. Now let's try it out. I'm copying the question, where do you play, by clicking on Ctrl C and Ctrl V and enter. Okay guys, they're saying check the settings, so I'm going to the settings page, checking the settings. What is wrong? So we have to enable the log interaction to Google Cloud. Next I'm clicking on save by doing the changes, and it's completed. So I'm doing Ctrl V and enter. So friends, we have to train the agent. The more we train answers, the more right it can give. Guys, do you think if Google Assistant or Alexa is done by intents or by anything else? Please comment down below.
Friends, without training the chatbot, I tried to get the right answer at the first attempt itself, but I couldn't. If you have the right solution for it, can you please help me out by commenting down below? Thank you friends. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Bye-bye.